Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming basics. Check the battery level and remove any case that might block buttons. Once done, place the watch flat or keep it on your wrist. Press and hold the side button. This is the same button used for emergency and power options. Hold until you see 3 on-screen sliders: power off, medical ID, and emergency SOS. Make sure the screen is responsive. If it's frozen, note that a force restart will be different and comes later. Now swipe the power off slider firmly from left to right. A quick tap won't work. You'll feel a slight haptic, and the display will dim as the watch begins its shutdown sequence. Wait patiently until the screen is completely dark and the device is silent. If nothing happens, no slider or frozen screen, perform a forced restart by holding both the side button and digital crown for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears, then repeat the normal shutdown steps. Finish by confirming the watch is fully off. It should show no light or haptic feedback. To power it back up, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears and release. Make sure to leave it off if you're shipping or servicing the device. If the watch won't shut down or the screen stays frozen, the key troubleshooting tip is a force restart. Hold the side button and digital crown together for about 10 seconds, then attempt the normal shutdown again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.